I have a new video. Video. Channel, by the way. A countdown channel. Not a countdown. It's like day 1, day 2, day 3. Like that. Yeah. Like the tissue, I wet it and stick it on the wall until it falls. Until it dries and falls. That's the time that I'm gonna end my series and make another countdown, or day 1, day 2, or like day 3, day 2, day 1, like that. So yeah, the name the channel is the 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 minus will minus never minus fall. Yeah, just the name. And the display name is Immortal Tissue. Yeah, I have made day 2 now. I have just made day 2. Yeah, check it out. I'm gonna show you the channel.